Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to War India News Hour. Today I am going to touch upon the real facts on how to secure confidential data while working remotely. In today's digital age, it becomes quite natural to be dependent on technology. Technology has made the world smaller by providing today's communication tools. There is no doubt that such high-tech devices have enriched our lives and made everything easy. At the same time, we need to secure every aspect of online information and data. As the internet grows and computer networks become bigger, data integrity has become one of the most important aspects for our organizations to consider. Another most important feature that everyone needs to take care of is network security, which is very important. It is a tool to consider when working over the internet, whether it is LAN or any other method. It hardly matters whether you are running a small or big business. After all, business is business. Nothing is small or big. While there is no network that is immune to attacks, a stable and efficient network security system is essential to protect client data. A good network security system helps business reduce the risk of falling victim of data theft and sabotage. It is absolutely true that network security helps protect your workstations from harmful spyware. This brings the opportunity for the technology companies to increase investment into the R&D and market intelligence to stay ahead of the competitions. The important aspect what I am going to speak of, it has also been seen that the startup companies are bringing newest technologies. There are certain startups who have created a new market by displacing leading giants with their path-breaking and disruptive innovations. There are some startups who are staying ahead of the digital transformation curve by anticipate future opportunities with compelling business models. Let's see how some of the startups are doing. When we see the various options, various companies who are into technology startups, we find out certain companies who dedicatedly work for or work towards the IT and information security. Why Jungle? It is recognized as the unified network security gateway that offers UTM, hotspot gateway and web applications firewall in one product. Another company which you have seen, that is Lucidus. Lucidus encourages business to make cybersecurity a priority with its AI ML enabled platform. This platform continuously monitors and responds to cyber threats effectively and reduces cyber attacks. SecureTech. This simplifies security for enterprises and business and helps to equip them with AI and ML driven security tools and solutions which will make sure that the company is secure and properly armed against all the security threats without any vulnerability. Let's see what Synchronize does. It is a cloud-based AI ML enabled and automated security solutions to ventures who are surrounded by digitization and all the information about the company is on cloud or drives. Another company which we have seen, that is TAC Security. It specializes in securing the IT infrastructure and assets of some of the leading enterprises globally and also provides cyber security officers which is needed with a risk score on their apps to determine vulnerabilities in their systems. Unicam has brought its technology named as RELID. It is a modern security platform that empowers you to securely unlock new transaction types across any channel that your customer wants. Maybe mobile and web, also email, voice text and chat. We have come across another company, Critical. It offers complete suite of manual and automated security testing services and provides end-to-end cybersecurity solutions to its clients. Beyond security, it is a company that develops an AI system for cybersecurity and transforms the ability of organizations to defend their most critical assets and offers a wide range of options covering 3 points and their defenses in depth, early detection and rapid autonomous response. InstaSafe is a zero trust network access. It offers authorized users of enterprises and governments secure and fast access to internally managed applications hosted in enterprise data centers or the hybrid public cloud. It has been protecting and supporting organizations across verticals during this COVID crisis with secure work from home, zero trust VPN replacement solutions. So, IT is vital and has helped in economic and social progression in India, and we have also seen the awareness on cybersecurity, which is growing rapidly in India as well as globally. The cybersecurity market is slowly shifting from a dependence on big companies. According to industry estimates, currently there are more than 250 plus cybersecurity startups in India. The whole world is racing towards development in cyber defense. Every company into this business is investing in protecting their operations and shielding their networks from identity theft, hackers, invasions, online fraud and cyber attacks. Let's see how this post-COVID-19 brings opportunity for the companies who were earlier hesitant to let their employees work from home will resist the remote working model much less. The coronavirus pandemic has changed the world of work culture. Employers are open to give their employees more control over their schedules for employees and teams to work from home smoothly. However, IT teams need to provide technical support at all times. Hence, IT security is extremely crucial with the workforce having access to confidential organizational data from their homes. I would like to say, cyber criminals and hackers are everywhere, looking for an opportunity to hack into your system and gather important confidential data. And if you think they are going to let you off the hook during these difficult times, you are absolutely mistaken. Let's understand more from an expert. Our guest for today's news hour is Mr. Ashish Bansal, the Director ERP Operations, GlaxoSmithKline. Welcome Ashish to the War India News Hour. To start with, when the staff is working from home, security controls shift considerably. Defenses such as firewalls, what are the preparedness for the CIOs need to undertake?
Apart from day-to-day monitoring and management, I think during the pandemic situation, the major focus gets shifted towards monitoring the inbound and outbound traffic, especially around VPN, firewall, and in and around email servers. Office 365 really helps us bring the transparency around that infrastructure for the email management. For the rise in the threats, I think the major focus is around awareness and the training to the end users across the businesses. There is a major rise, approximately 300% rise in the report of suspected malicious communication. So it is quite important for the end users to be aware, so especially with the phishing emails or any other email which are spam, and to respectively report them.
Thank you Ashish. I would like to know how to track new threats as they emerge through various sources.
Apart from investing in intelligent threat detection system and prevention system, patching and user awareness, I feel checking frequently with your peers, the other CIOs and IT leaders through different forums to understand the latest threats would be helpful. As well as staying in touch with the sales team, the sales stakeholders, joining the boot camps on periodic basis can also get you the insight around the latest happening in the market. Also keep a channel open with your employees, that will really give you a good insight around what's happening on the ground and get you the first-hand information upfront.
Awesome reply. My last question is security training is important for the employees who are working from home since they are exposed to different threats than in the office environment?
At the end, it is everyone's responsibility to keep the information and data secure. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you. Thanks for your time, Assis. My takeaway is the coronavirus COVID-19 is presenting new and unique challenges. It teaches us the lesson to lead the life in new ways to work and interact while also taking care of our mental health and well-being. Consider everyone around us an asymptomatic carrier of COVID-19 and capable of infecting you. Consider that you yourself could also be an asymptomatic carrier of COVID-19 and are capable of infecting all around you. So train yourself by using all your intelligence to neither get infected nor infect others. Don't forget to like and share your posts and valuable comments and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Jai Hind.